Hey Billy, good evening to me, Billy. I don't know where you're at though, bro. Good evening, LT. Good evening, Chris. Milm. Good evening, D9. Very glad to be here. Great for the gods, another day above ground. About to flip on TikTok. And I think we're there. Let me go back over to TikTok. Important, but not right this second. This is what I need to say. Oh, great. Just went live and somebody's over there rolling. Sorry guys, let me make a quick call here. Good evening, everybody. Give me just a second, we gotta take care of the business. Hey Ray.
Hello.
Are you at the house, bud?
Yes, sir. The AC room's here.
I thought I saw someone stumbling around. You want just to call me? I'm on live right now, otherwise come over there. Did you want me?
Yes, sir.
Just
I
want...
was going to call you whenever I heard the break.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I got you, buddy.
All right, thanks, Ray. All right.
Yes, sir.
Nice fella. Any rate, one of the handymen I got over there. Let's see. What am I doing? I'm trying to get this in. Good evening, everybody. Sorry, I think I'll be on for a while. I planned on being on live for a while, but I guess we'll see at the house. So, sorry for all that. Yeah. Let's see. Good evening, the Paula Pauls. Good evening, James Cochran. Good evening, Jack Wagon. Good evening, John Mathis. Good evening, Julie Gaia. Good evening, Bradley. Boy, we got a ton of, is this live? Wow, good evening, D-Nice, Billy. Holy shit, let me look over here. That is a lot of live folks. Good evening, everybody. We'll, let me get this a little bit. I'm looking over at the, look at it go up, by the way. I'm in a long-term buy still on this. Let me show you something in a second. Let me go over here. It's the YouTube channel. YouTube channel has better alerts, and the YouTube channel used to be a better picture, but at any rate. All right. Good evening, Billy. Good evening, LT. Good evening, Chris. Who is that? D-Nice, Gary Mundo, Shash, Candle Envy, Kim, Luna, Peter. Good evening, Peter P. Good evening, George. Good evening, Mom. Bree's on her way home to you. Take care of Precious. I know you will. Good evening, Angela Taylor. Good evening, Billy. 2 a.m. Oh, shit, Billy, go to sleep, bro. Good evening, Jake Cochran. Hold on. Let's see where we good evening, Aladar. Good evening, Annie. Good evening, Billy. Oh boy, I never told us. That's funny, Billy. Good evening, Harold Wright. Good evening, Mark Davis. Good evening, Stacy. Good evening, LT. Perfect 30-minute, 1 hour NAS cell phone. Oh, really? I'll check it out. Good evening, Tanny. Good evening, Billy. Again, you're my ticket out. Pray to God, Billy. I'll do everything I can to help you out of that job. Good evening, Kent. Good evening, Terry Gross. Good evening, Ryan. Hope you're good. Can barely hear you. Really? On TikTok? I don't know what the fuck. It's an iPhone, bro. It's like last generation. Well, whatever. It is what it is. Good evening, Terry Gross. Good evening, Ryan. Good evening, Peter P. Head to TikTok. Yeah, go to TikTok for better view and sound. Good evening, Angel Roa. I just bought your system. Yay, Angel. Welcome aboard. Thank you, Peter P, for welcoming him. Yes, welcome aboard. Everyone should welcome Angel Roa. Just fill out everything, follow that type form, and you'll get through everything good. What's up, Joe? Yo, Joe. What's up, Aaron? Good evening, Sam I Am. Jamie Rojo. Good evening, Shash. Made money, says Shash. Shash is all about the money, bro. Good evening, Terry Gross. Thank you for welcoming him, Terry. Thanks to God. Thank you for giving credit to God. Sam I Am. Did the sniper go live? No, it did not. Next Monday, Lord willing. Still working on that. We're going to go over that tonight. Shalita Nelson, good evening. Evan Jarosky. Okay, Slaughter's name again. Good evening, Kent. TikTok sounds fine. Yes, sir. Candle Envy, welcome, Angel. Thank you for welcoming, Angel. I appreciate that. Stacy, yes. And welcome, enjoy it. Awesome, guys. Thank you for welcoming. All right, that's everybody over there. Let me head back over to here. And where is my... Oops, I got to turn that off. There. Here. All right, let me see. Is this the one I want to show? No. Yeah. Ta-da. What you guys are looking at right here is the upcoming sniper rooms. Sniper rooms. We're testing them out right now. How cool is that? Freaking cool, if you ask me. Nice little crowd this evening. I love it. 35 people. I'm still thrilled. Welcome each and every one of you. Ray and I am 20. Could be. I don't know, bro. Ready? Welcome, Angel. You're echoing back to Sandra. Oh, I don't know. But it's called The Best We Can Do. Other people were saying it was good a second ago. I don't know. Probably the other video that was playing, assuming that went off. No, it should be okay. See, okay. What the hell is that TikTok? Hold on. Where is our TikTok? We got a lot of things on for the show tonight. Lots of stuff to go over. Here's our TikTok. And here it is. Alright, yep, there's our TikTok. YouTube not so much. No, YouTube sucks. Can't help it. It's gonna work on that when you come in the house. TikTok is clear and loud. Good. What's up, Roger Z33? Awesome. Love the system. Scanners. I'm gonna love the sniper. Thank you for everyone welcoming him. Welcome aboard. And here we go. Lots of fun. So this happens to be the sniper room, the second sniper room. This is just a test. This isn't real. And here's our test. We got 50 people plopped in there now. We'll be able to hold more as we go. I opened it up to 100. You can probably kill me, but I'm going to have 100 people in there. So yeah, these are little rooms. This is what you'll be seeing, and I'll teach you how to do that tonight. Actually, Keith, is probably going to be four charts per thing, but we'll get in that second. Originally, the sniper was made. This is a new add-on we're going to have. It's called the sniper. The sniper is going to be made originally just for 1 minute entries, but I perfected the 5 minutes, and I do believe we have the 15 minutes also, and maybe even the 30 minutes, but definitely the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute entries are going to be perfected for you. I won't stop until that gets to 1 hour. So that's called the sniper system. It's going to cost about $150 a month, and I'm going to say it's going to be worth All right. Does anybody have any questions or comments or concerns? By the way, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line for NAS. Also, I'm sure it's the same. Let me see what we have going on there. Yeah, NAS. Five to the 1 minute, 5 minute blue line. Buy stop. Let me see US 30 to the 15. Hold on. You're going to see it go up. Sorry, I should have told you that from the beginning. I should have done it. Buy stop US 30. Let me see something. 5 minute, 15. Yeah, I would look for any 1 minute buy stop in US 30 to the 15-minute blue line. That's what I think. Let's see, man. I'll make some call outs today too, so I don't overlap so much. Look at this 1 minute buy. That's just a thing of beauty. How many is that? Only 9 pips late at night. City time to be trading, but whatever. All right. Kick. I just signed up. Kick, get out of here. Kick, you've been with me for a year and a half or a year, whatever it's been going on. Kick's an expert. Kick is our resident expert. He consistently makes fantastically good trades. Kick is an exceptionally good trader. What's up, Lachey? Slammy Slam says, I'm excited to learn all this. How can I help you, Slammy Slam? Are you in the system? Yeah, crispy clear. Jack Wagon, love you, Peter P. That's another resident expert we have. Peter P. Jack Wagon, same dude. Kick. This is Tommy. We have Kimberly Harrington. Tons of people. Just tons of people make very good money. Of course, our average Joe, you like Phil. Look at it going up. Boom, we can go up and touch that 5 minute blue line. What's up, Michelle Glowinski? How was your training today? I hope I helped you, didn't confuse you. What's up, Pablo? What's up, Jose? Jose. Another resident expert, Jose. Pablo. Yes, sir, you did. Okay, Michelle, we'll go over again in a couple of weeks. Michelle is Mike Glowinski's twin sister, and I've known her, I guess, like 45 years or something. But I do not know who anyone else is here except between Mike and Michelle. And this is just finished my 2 weeks of video. Now is when all the questions start. Nope. Slammy Slam. You must have missed a little testimonial from show on Friday, Slam. If you went ahead and saw that, you'd understand that Phil, that everyone wants to be like, because Phil has made 440,000 euros since he started going live trading in December of last year, has a Bentley coming, and is a 94% win rate. He watches training videos every day for 5 weeks before going live. So be like Phil. Instead of 2 weeks, go to 5. Just saying. You like Phil, says Kent. That is correct. Good evening, Mike. Oh my gosh, Mike Glowinski and Michelle Glowinski. Glow and Glowier. No, Glow is Mike Glowinski and Michelle. Yay, what's up, guys? Who would have thought after all these freaking years we're back together, all together on the same thing. By the way, going up to the 5 minute as we ramble on. Let's see, TikTok's over there. What's up, Jason McCain? What's up, Kevin? Meet Kevin. Good to see you again. Deal. Love the Phil video. I know, wasn't it great? Talking about motivation, even though it was horrible sound. Phil will be back on a better sound. Yeah. What's up, Ken? KSR Mason's in the house. What's up, everybody? TikTok and YouTube alike. Wonder Twin Powers. Activate. Put your little rings together, Mike and Michelle. Of course, you're like 1,000 miles apart, aren't you? Jersey. Well, I don't know about 1,000 miles, huh? What's up, Larry Cooper? All right, guys. What's up, Julie Gua? Okay, I didn't say her name right at all. I slaughtered her. Sorry. Bradley. Good evening, everybody. Kevin Watson. No any questions. I'm reading everything I see. I see no questions. If you guys have questions that aren't showing, send them in as email. Send me an email for your questions. I will answer any questions now. We're on for a good long period tonight. I'm in no rush tonight. Normally I'm in a rush. I say that, but there's somebody at the house right now that might need me. But I'm assuming I can stick around for a while. We'll see. How exciting, Michelle and Mike Lewinsky. I know lots of Kevins, by the way. Yeah. What's up, Marks? Good evening, Guy Burger. Sounds like you should be like a drinking game in Germany. Guy Burger. You will say, I'm not going to go into that. Okay. It's a cool name. Welcome, Romley. I went to Milwaukee for the weekend. Brewers game and Harley Museum all paid for that. So it's a nice jack wagon. Dude, you can go to Milwaukee in the weekend for the weekend. You can go to anywhere you want in the world for the weekend jack wagon. Yes, you can. You're not fooling me, my brother. You're making good. I want Spy to hit the daily blue line. All I'm saying. Let's see what Pablo's after. Pablo's all about the business. Spy is SPX 500. He wants it to hit the daily. That's all he's saying. The daily? It's below us. You got a long wait to go, bro. Yeah, we're in the middle of a monthly buy stop, by the way. Da da dee da 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 da. On a line. Or cash. Precious to be home soon to the mom. Miss Angela, she's on her way home, by the way. She should be there in a minute. Kevin, you're too funny. I know. Pablo, well, if that happens, you're going to be one rich mofo if you're playing a sell stop, right? By the way, I'm looking for a 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute to the 5 minute blue line on NAS. I wonder why. I'll give a shout out to anyone who could tell me why I think NAS will go up and touch this blue line or get close enough. It's actually pretty close right now, to be honest with you. And I'm waiting for the 15-minute US 30 1 minute buy. Might not hit it, but I think it will. We'll see. And then I'll call a 1 minute sell later on this evening, and then we'll recap the whole thing again. There you go. What about the 30-minute sell stops? We'll go over the 30-minute sell stops. Anything you guys got, we'll go over. No problem. Let me give you a hint. Green, 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 green. Green, the only red. Green, green. Green, green, green. Red, the only red. 5 minute has to form first. So I'm going to go ahead and call a 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line on there. There you go. That's what I'm calling. Oops, that's what I'm calling. I have no idea. I don't think I have one. 3 hours in. Mike, I'm on a live. Did you get a hold of tape? Let's see. The Paul Pauls have already, because the other two have also had. Yes, correct the Mundo. Wank Fez, it says 2 out of 3. Yes, 2 out of 3 scanner, Evan Gillespie. Yeah, this one you don't get to play with anytime soon. But boy, oh boy, I tell you what we're going to go over tonight is the sniper to help you enter the proper trades on these. But look at this shit. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. Especially when it does it on the 1 minute, which it did it like 2 or 3 times a day. Up and down, up and down. Oh, look, US 30 popped underneath. So let's go ahead and take a look at US 30 and see why it went underneath. Let's take a look. See. It is so easy to do it. Oh my God. It's like taking candy from a baby when you trade these things. We trade all 3 at the same time. 1 minute blue line. Oh, it's the 5 minute, my bad. Oh, look at it dip down. Nice. Let's go ahead and go to SPX real quick. I can see SPX going underneath its blue line right now. Watch, you'll see this turn to 3. Oh, in 4 minutes. Well, I'll pull it back up when it does turn to 3 then. Again, we're in zero rush. Take your time. Oh, these are going to go down. Yep, and then you'll see the 1 minute US 30 probably hit it first. Red, and then we'll look for the NAS 1 minute sell stops, SPX 1 minute sell stops down to their blue line. But again, no rush. Take your time, guys. We're all good. Whether it goes up, whether it goes down, we'll make our money. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. More importantly, oh, this is what it looks like. You guys on TikTok. This is what it looks like when you do your class. Over here, it says, welcome, please record the session with your Zoom link on your computer, save the copy you send, open your rules, specific rules, general, isn't that the stupidest thing you ever heard? Please use the chat to talk. You'll be able to ask my questions and no one does. Please hold all of your questions till the end. Please understand it's a training session, not a stall session. So that's what all that is. Let me go ahead and erase all that. Boop. 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 Yeah, I got to set that up every week. And now when I get to the new place, hopefully I can get this taken care of and don't have to deal with all that. There you go. Now it's all gone. Yay. US 31 hour winner self-stop. 1. US 30. Yeah, there'll be, this is what was called last night. This is a 1 hour rise. It's still going to rise up a little bit, I think. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour. It might hook all the way up to that 4 hour red line and then come back down again. This is a US 30 self-stop. 1 hour. It's also a NAS 1 hour self-stop and an SPX 1 hour self-stop. These were all called out last night, about 24 hours ago. The 1 minute, 5 minute buy stops happened, and the 30-minute 1 hour sell stops kind of happened. You're going to gain some money. Somebody said they got hooked into that, which is a bunch of bullshit. You got hooked into, for instance, let's just look at SPX. If you put your line, what you're supposed to is hug the line right here and it went down, you're up 5 pips. You're only supposed to take 1, 2, 3 pips profit. You didn't get hooked into shit. Say you did your US 30, you would have never got into this on the NAS because it never could have hooked you. So that's bullshit too, but whatever. Then if you happen to get into, because right here you could have, you'd have been down low though on this one. You would have actually made 20 to 25 pips on the US 30. So if you got hooked into US 30, you should have got at least out with 20, 30 pips profit. But again, we'll go over all that and how the safety trade will take that all away from you. Don't have to worry about it this time. So I got it working on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and it looks like the 15-minute also. All right, I have to change a whole bunch of words here too. I'm sick of this crap. Let's see, we need to take out. Okay. So no one has any questions tonight, right? No one has any questions. What if we're going to see a sell stop over the line? I don't think so. It's going to arch down to the red line and cook back up again and give us those buy stops. What it's going to do. Already. Yep, correct. We're going to get that gold 30-minute blue line. Let's look at gold then before we get going. Hold on. 30-minute. Let's see. Gold 30-minute buy stop. Let's see. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's put gold across the board like I always used to trade. Gold. 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 Here we go. Is it going to hit it? 1 minute buy. Too far away. Gold's going to pull back down again. Should pull back down again. Let me see. I can tell you exactly in a second. 30-minute buy. 30-minute buy. It's already up and touched it. Interesting. Let's go ahead and go look at the 1 hour real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Yes, I do think it's going to do that. Did it hit 15 minutes? Yes, it did. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yes, it will. Will it do straight out? No, I don't think so. What you're going to see is, pop that open here. That's all she's got? Really? Come on now. There we go. Oh, purchase home. I'm hoping, yay, good if I've ever asked what Jamie's store name is. You're not understanding that people are just forwarding around. Well, that's interesting. All right. So let's see what we shall see. Yay. That's awesome news. Thank you. Alright, cool. We haven't called it that yet. Alright. Buy stop 1 minute gold, by the way. Mr. Pips M15 too, can't wait to run it. Yes, we have the 1 minute, 5 minute, and I'm 99% sure with the 15-minute, and we're going to get there. Now the 30-minute isn't there, but we're going to be using the 30-minute for our entries too. Let's see. All right. I'm going to go ahead and call out the 14 symbols right now quickly. So hang on to your hats. 1 minute buy, stop gold. Technically, it's going to dip down, like I said, to the 5-minute red line. Yep, it's already locked and loaded to come down. So it's going to come down now. Let it come down. Then it's going to come back up again, and then we'll hit that 30 later on today. So 1 minute buy, 5-minute sell, 30-minute buy stop to the blue line on gold. Let's go and take a look at U.S. oil. U.S. oil and UK oil are the exact same things. If you guys know, they're exactly the same. They're all the same. They're all a bunch of bullshit, but whatever. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line for U.S. oil. Then it's going to form a 5-minute buy stop, U.S. oil. Then it's going to form a 15-minute sell stop, U.S. oil. Then it's going to form a 30-minute, let me see this real quick. Then oil is going to form a 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop. And then U.S. oil is a daily. Remember this. This is going to be a big movement down. Daily, weekly to the blue line sell stop. Oil will be a daily, weekly to the weekly blue line sell stop. This will be a huge movement down if it engages, which I'm 99% sure it will. Then it's a weekly, monthly buy stop. Just so we're all clear. So we might have cheaper gas prices for a minute, actually. All right, and that's U.S. oil and also UK oil. XRP, XRP, XRP is in the house. XRP, then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. XRP right here. XRP, 1 minute sell stop to where? To the blue line. XRP, let's see what we got going on here. XRP, up, up, up. Really on the 5-minute. Well, I don't see that happening on the 1 minute yet. Not yet. Nope, this is sell stop. XRP. It's going to be a 1 minute sell to the blue line, forming a 15-minute buy stop XRP to the 30-minute blue line, XRP. XRP's in the house. Then after that, 1 hour, nothing. XRP 4 hours, sell stop. XRP 4 hour sell stop to the blue line. Daily XRP buy stop to the blue line. Weekly XRP sell stop to the monthly blue line. XRP monthly buy stop. Whoa. Look at XRP. Where can XRP go? I can see XRP going up to $2.40 again. These are monthly and it's going to take forever. I can also see before that happens XRP going down to somewhere in the neighborhood of point. Oh my gosh. I'm not telling you that. I'm not telling you that. Never mind. We'll skip over that part of XRP. Ethereum moves just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin moves just like Ethereum. Technically, Bitcoin moves, Ethereum follows. And every once in a while, you'll see Ethereum, so move along. So what you're looking at now for Ethereum is jack crap. It looks like it's forming another buy stop, 1 minute. Ethereum. 1 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line already happened. Let's see Ethereum, 1 hour. Ethereum, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, sell. 4 hour, sell, 1 hour, 4 hour, sell, Ethereum. 1 hour, 4 hour, sell. Weekly sell, monthly buy stop. Okay, Ethereum, nothing, it's too far away. 5-minute buy to the 15-minute blue line. I did it. 15-minute buy stop Ethereum. It's not too late, but it's not ideal. It's going to fill on by 30. 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 4 hour blue line Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum, monthly buy stop Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin? Bitcoin again. That's a monthly buy. You go Bitcoin. Ooh, shit. Bitcoin. Let's just do it the old fashioned. I've been doing it for you guys. 1 minute Bitcoin, nothing. 5-minute Bitcoin, nothing. 15-minute buy stop Bitcoin. Kind of a little late, but not too late. You can still jump in that if you want. Yeah, you still got to close on that 30. You got time. 1 hour. 4 hour too late. You should have been listening to that buy stop. Daily, nothing. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. And that looks beautiful. Bitcoin, you're hearing it already. I can see it dipping down. Let me be clear on this. Bitcoin should go down to its weekly blue line, which would put it in the range of about 10,000. Will it? I don't know. But then Bitcoin should rise above 70,000. Just saying. That's all I'm saying. That's Bitcoin for you. USD CAD, I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Again, USD CAD, 1 minute. 1 minute USD CAD. Jack crap. Yep, 1 minute buy stop. USD CAD. Let it come down and up. It's going to form a 5-minute sell stop. USD CAD. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour daily sell. Weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line USD CAD. UDCHF, USD CHF is the opposite, and I'll prove it to you. Look, that's how they cheat. This is a sell stop on the 4 hour. Look at ERUSD, it's opposite of UDCHF. ERUSD are opposite. This is a buy stop. Look at that. You guys that have listened to me on this, you'd be up over 111 pips. I've been calling for a buy stop on this since back on, oh, I can't see now, hold on. A buy stop on this since 623. And it finally gone up 7.6, so about 2 or 3 weeks later. All right, let's see what's going on. Nice. All right, that's, now we're gonna go back to your USD. 1 minute. Buy stop 1 minute. Let me see something. We're probably too far away. Hold on a second. Shit, we are. It is officially a buy stop, and it will go up. You'll be in the money here, but I would look for 1 minute sell stops in ERUSD overnight to form a 5-minute buy stop. What's the last one that's showing? 15, 5, 15, maybe 30. 30 bounced 1 hour. It's got to come down. It's officially a 1 minute buy stop. Look for 1 minute sell stops overnight. Trust me, it's going to come back down. Look at the 4 hour buy. Perfect. To the daily blue line. I told you it was going. I told you once, told you twice, told you 3 times, told you now 4 times. It's going to go up there and hit that. It's going to go up and touch the blue line. You're still going to make another 50 pips on ERUSD when it decides to hook back up there. Weekly sell stop. This is a triple top. Oh, fuck. Oh, boy. This is a sell stop. ERUSD is going to drop down to the monthly blue line. You will see ERUSD go below 0.9447, 4447. Anyway, just letting you know ahead of time what I was going to do months out. GBP USD, 1 minute buy stop. I don't believe it though. It's going to go back down eventually to the 1 minute blue line, but whatever. 30-minute. Look at that perfect 30-minute. 1 hour. Anybody who wants to learn how to trade, forget all the BS you thought you knew about support and resistance. It's lies. Fibonacci's lies. Fibonacci comes from from nature. Shells. What do? They took Fibonacci patterns and applied it to trading. Give me a break. What do you think about naming of candles and candle patterns? Give me a break. Silliest thing I ever heard. This is what you need to unlearn all that stuff. 99% of the time it doesn't work. Volume and VWAP does not work. What works is this, you relearn the safety trade system. That's what works. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy, stop it, up you go. Look at it. Called out this morning. There it is. That's your buy stop. And that's what you get. Perfection personified. 4 hour doesn't matter, useless. Daily to the daily blue. It was a 1 hour buy stop to the daily blue line and then hit it. There you go. That's GBP USD. You're pretty much done. I would get out of that trade if I were you. Weekly, nothing. It's a weekly, actually, monthly sell stop to ERUSD's blue line. That's what it's going to do in the future. GBP New Zealand, 1 minute. Was this a buy up to here? No, just sell it. Hold on. Yeah, 1 minute sell to the blue line. 15-minute buy stop. 30-minute already happened, 1 already happened, 4 hour, daily, weekly, for the monthly. Yeah, I don't care, let's use this. GBP JPY, 1 minute. GBP JPY. Sell stop. 5 minute, nothing. 15-minute sell stop. 30-minute, fill in the gap, nothing. 1 hour, nothing. 4 hours, going to switch. It's going to go down to the 4 hour, ooh, shit. Okay, it's going to go down to the daily blue line, forming a daily buy stop. Is that the first time that's happened? Hold on. Yes, I do believe you're going to see that. 4 hour buy, but I think it's going to be a daily buy, and it's going to go back up and touch that weekly again, which I called out 6 months, or actually 7 months ago from the beginning of the year. SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. Told you it had to flip around. That's where it's going to go down to. Watch. See how that does for us. 5 minute. I'm sure this is a buy. Yep, 5-minute buy stop, filling the gap. 15 minutes. It's going to go up. Okay, watch. 1 minute sell stops across the board. See how they do. Then you're going to go 5 minute to the to the US, to the NAS and US 30 5-minute line again. That's what you're going to see happen. They'll form a buy stop. You'll see Euros 30 go up and touch the blue line again. You'll see NAS go up and cross this blue line again. You'll see it come up again. Nothing's going to do. So at any rate, we'll go back to this. 1 minute, nothing. Call it 5-minute buy, 30, 1 hour sell stop, SPX. 4-hour daily buy stop, SPX. So let's go ahead and crush these things out of here and get rid of that. NAS 100, 1 minute, sell stop to the blue line. 5-minute, buy stop to the blue line. 15-minute, nothing. 1 hour sell stop. And by the way, it's a 1 hour sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. For now, as odd as that sounds, but that's where it can go down to. 4-hour buy stop. Yeah, it's going to come down a little further though. 4-hour buy stop. It's probably going to form into a daily there, I guess. US 30, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. US 30. 1 hour, 4-hour sell stop. So going to go up and touch that red line down and hook down. Daily buy stop. And that's all we got. That's it. All right, that's 14 symbols called out for y'all. Think or swim. Are all these trades? No, you can use anything you want. You put it on Eagle FX. You trade anywhere you want. Any particular one. What's up, Bradley? What's up, Dennis? What's wrong? Because the other two prices are right. All the hosts. No, you can use any broker you want. Michelle Glenski, Guy Builder, Evan, all right. Does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? I just whipped through 14 symbols. They're all going to do exactly what I said. But you guys have fun doing that. I don't really care. Not a financial advisor, just for fun. Laugh my fucking ass off. Let's see what I know. Yep, we'll leave that there. I got to write some words in there. But I'll do that later. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? There you go. You're watching German US 30 go down. Let me see US 30 over here. I can get down to that. Yeah, overnight, whatever. It's going to do it anyway. Whether it hits the blue line now or later, it's going to hit the blue line. Sorry All right. Stop. All right, I think we're good on that too. Yep, it's dropping out. I told you that 5-minute had to come down. Look at it. I'll show you sniper. Okay, here we go. There you go. You're seeing it falling before your very eyes. What is NAS doing? Yep, NAS is falling down before its very eyes. SPF. Oh, but you said the 5 minutes going to go. It will. Just take time, guys. It's overnight. There's nothing shit going on. It's actually useless crap going on right now. This is what it is. So let's take this drive down to sell stop to be clearly see it. By the way, this is how it looks. Let me flip this over for you. So this is what you guys are going to see. All right. If anybody doesn't have any questions, I'm going to teach you guys some sniper trading now. Sniper, how to make your entrances correct is what this should be called. All right. This is what we got. You have the yellow go down, and then you have the pink pull up. Then you have the yellow on our 5-minute pull down. This is a short temporary down, but this is a nice little entry right here. You put your sell stop right there and pop down with those. It's very simple once you learn the concept of it. Again, this is new to y'all. You're going to learn a new language again, but it is very, very, very simple. So I'm going to go over some real good examples for you. Do you want us to keep key swings up overnight? Yes, sir, Aladar, please do. When are we doing a hype house of trading? What's up, Tokyo? Hype. Yeah, right. That would be fun. Oh my God, I think we should have a TV show. I always said that. I think it'd be a blast having a TV show. My God, you're gonna get that called. Yes, please staying up on that. Yes. All right. So how does the system work? Well, the current system, If anybody has any questions, please ask. You can email it over because right now I've read every response I possibly could. All right, so the current system is very easy. What you currently do is you wait for this exact setup right here where it goes green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, it goes up. Everyone should know that. You need to start learning that. If you don't, this is all it looks like when it's live. Actually, you can't see the future stuff where indicators can. So what we've done now, or what I've done now, not a we on this one, this is all me, is this. So, well, you'll be understanding there's 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and so on. You'll notice how this works in a minute here. But in our cases, the 5 minute bip down, which you probably can't see on YouTube, and then the 1 minute yellow line bipped down, and then we have a cross of the pink, purple, and the yellow down here. Boom, the very first time it happens, we have a perfect safety trade, green, 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 red, green, green. Put a buy stop above here, and you ain't missing on this one. You're making money. And that's it. So the sniper system is not part of the system, so don't worry about that. That is an extra. You don't have to get it by all means. There's no need, no necessary thing to do that at all. I'm just offering it for people who like to make their entrance a little cleaner. Because we tried with the original, and then we tried again with the current version you see, but people are still having trouble with those entries. So that's just a clean little entry. Take it all the way up to the purple touches up here. Bingo, boppo, you're out. Not a lot. This is after hours. You'd have made about, whatever that is, 8, 10, 12 clicks on that one right there. That's how you trade it. Where do you get it from? You get it over here. From somebody once told me my life is going on thing. Isn't? No. Okay, I got too much shit open. Where did I put that thing? Where did I put that thing? Verify it to Google is not a plus. There it is. Okay. Where you buy it from is right here. You go over to safetytrade.com. Best investment you'll ever make. You'll actually learn how to trade. You can also sign up for alerts. I literally gave out free money today. I literally sent out email after email. Matter of fact, we can see the emails right here in my stand store. Right here. These emails went out earlier today, way earlier, like, I don't know what time it was, like 6 o'clock in the morning. Bingo, boppo, bango, SPX hit its 1 minute blue line, so on and so forth. These were all sent out 6 hours, no, that's not true. Here we go. Volunteers needed, thank you all for opening that up, 62%. Advanced training, going live, make some money, bingo, boppo, bango. So, 15 hours ago, let's clear that up. Actually, it's longer than that, isn't it? So how many hours ago is this one? 15 hours ago, I sent out US 30 hit its blue line. Then I went ahead and said, hey, this is free. I gave you this free, by the way. And they said, hey, SPX just hit its blue line. Look for NAS. And then I sent out bingo, boppo, bango, NAS just hit its blue line. And there it was. I gave that away for you free. So you sign up for the alerts, you get my signals for free, just like that. That's what just happened. So you can get the alerts here, you can buy the system. If you don't like doing small group training classes, you can get one-on-one, but I don't think you need one-on-ones personally. I would do a small group training class. The only place you can get it, if you buy, stop forming on 1 minute, 5 minute, all 3 symbols. The only place you can get this is safetytrade.com. If you're here from someone else's website or someone else pretending to be a guru, they are not. The only person that makes these calls and who does this is me. No one else does this. So please only go to the safetytrade.com to buy the system. Nowhere else. If you bought it somewhere else, you got scammed, unless they're one of my official affiliates. And then in which case they would never pretend to be a guru or anything. And that's it. And there you have it. And that's where you get it from. Okay, I hope I answered your question clearly. Somebody once told me. Also, I trade futures with it. That's what he's doing. This is M2. Hey, Kev, show the scanner. Yep, let's show the scanner. You want to see what I'm doing? What I'm trading? What is he doing? Let's see, I'm trading over 200 different symbols at one time. Take a look at this. M2. I'm trading everything. Everything. All 8 time frames. I'm trading all indices. including but not limited to NAS, SPX, Australian, France, Japan 225. This is a 1 minute buy stop. Look how cool this scan. There's nothing like it in the history of the world. Japan 225, BS1. This is a good trade. Someone should look at this trade for me. Look at it. It's scanning all 8 time frames. Look at it. It's not just doing those, mind you. Just like he said, it also works on everything. All Forex, all majors and crosses. There's a GBP USD spinning up. Arrow means up, a buy. Look at them all. All 8 time frames. What am I doing? I'm teaching you how to trade so you quit losing money. What am I doing? I'm freeing you from losing 99% of all your trades. That's what I'm doing. Let's go over to crypto. All cryptos, all major cryptos it trades. Never been wrong on any of them. The Bitcoin 1 hour is like printing money. Look at them all. Look at them all. I don't even know. Litecoin, Bitcoin right there. There's a buy stop on it. Look, a new one. OMG. Look. There's a 1 minute buy stop on OMG USD. 1 minute sell at TRX USD. Boom. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You like to trade? How about you learn to trade for once in your life and quit trying to think that support and resistance works. It does not 99% of the time. By the way, it works on stocks, which means all your stock market, of course, is closed right now. There's over 55 different stocks we're trading, all 8 time frames at once. Look at them. Look at them. The system works on all symbols that you can chart on MetaTrader 4. We have a scanner that trades just like me. So this scanner is a copy trade. This scanner is me in a bottle. This scanner is me in robot form. It's comparing 2 time frames all the time on all signals, all at once, on all different, up to and including over 200 different symbols. That's what we're doing. Then we also have the Forex Top 10, which I love. I mean, you just can't beat it. I would be sticking on the one. I do. When I'm not trading with you guys, I go to the 1 hour, pull it up, and wait. I just wait for these to turn and give me the new ones. Oh my God, you just print money right there. You have a top 10 crypto room, you have a top 10 Forex room, stock room, then you have your home. You can make your own personal scanner up to actually trade just what you want to trade. Coolest thing on earth. Look at this. Look at how cool this is. We have an index metal room, the top 10, the Forex major room, the top 10, the crypto room, the top 10 stocks, top 10. We have the sniper coming up. We have my scanner. We have the 3 indices, 2 out of the 3s coming up. Look at what Keith has done. He's bringing all my mad creations to life. Look at all this. I'm compressed. What took me a decade to learn, I'm giving you guys now is just incredible. If you're on YouTube, you can't see the sheer power of this, but it's just amazing. So that's what we're doing here, teaching how to trade. Any more questions? By the way, if you want to call in, whoever you were, call in. If you're in the U.S., call me. I will go over it live. I'll teach you how to trade live. I'll teach you how to trade live to have a 94% winning percentage, just like, by the way, you're in the money on those cells, just like Phil is. Absolutely have a winning percentage that good. So call in. Please call in. I'll give you my email, you give me your number, and we'll give you a holler. Boom, baby. All right. Does anybody like to call in? Feel free. You're awesome, boss. Can't wait to be as good as you. Have a wonderful night. See you in the morning. Jay Cochran has made over $1 million. He's saying he's be as good as me. Jay's trying to be humble, I hope. And Jay made a fucking shit ton. So Jay Cochran has made over $1 million. You have Tommy, who's made just hundreds of thousands, if not more. You have Goroff, who's made 54,000 in 2 days of trading, and he quit and retired for a while. He's just taking it easy now. Kimberly Harrington makes $500 to $1,000 a day. You have my mother-in-law makes $50 to $100 a day. You have Phil, who makes about €440 year to date with a 94% winning percentage. So yeah, there you go. So anybody at all that would like to call in, feel free. If you want to learn the system, call in. Feel free. Feel free. Feel free. What trade you on, bro? A whole bunch. All right. Ray might have to do that. What's up, Ray? This message is very, very different, Ray. All right. 61 people on TikTok. How many we got on YouTube right now? Give me a second. How many we have on YouTube? All right. YouTube, 34. Everybody on TikTok and YouTube that has a system has been scamming me and taking my signals for free, which is fine. I would like you all to enact and enroll rule number 8. Always thank God. Always do good with your money and always have my back. I'm asking you for my one time this week. I want you all to speak up now and tell everybody on TikTok and YouTube, watch this. Is the system worth $575 and worth getting? Yes or no? And if it's yes, is it a hell yes? Is it a fuck yes? Is it a what is it? Go ahead and go. I'm calling in my having my back. I've sold you the system with a 94% verified win rate from Phil. And he's sending over his account end of the month, by the way. And he also has a Bentley coming August the 14th. Is the system worth it? Yes or no? Watch what happens on TikTok and YouTube. Here you go. Everyone watching on TikTok and YouTube, watch if this answers are yes or no's. I don't know these people. 2 of them I do, Michelle and Mike Walensky. I've been friends with them for 45 years. There's only 2 people that says it's worth it. Hell yes, says Michelle Walensky. Gio says yes, watch it. Here you go. Is it a yes or a no, a hell yes, a fuck yes, a damn yes, or a no? Worth way more. I'll answer your question. We're not telling you to teach and trigger. Watch. So everyone watching, all 53 of you, all 54 of you, these are stranger telling you, hell yes, it's worth it. Buy, stop, 5 minute, by the way. I told you to inform that. There you go. Hell yes, yes, absolutely yes. Michelle, yes. Ryan, yes. Nendel, yes. Thank you for speaking up. I have your back. I give you everything I can to help you succeed. I'm asking you to have my back now. Look at it. The yes gets blocked. And by the scanner says, Ardah, 575 is too cheap. I know we need to raise the price. So there you go. These are just strangers. Shalita says everyone should purchase the system. Definitely worth the money. What else can you do and get free archives in a daily live classes? And daily live free signal call-outs, by the way. Kick, how much money have you made with the system? Tell everybody, Kick, how many, if you don't want to tell how much money you made, tell how many funded accounts you have and what dollar accounts. Kick says, get the system. The thing is beyond amazing. Kick, do not be shy. Kick has over 2 $500,000 accounts, funded accounts. Tell them about your other big account. Stop wasting your life. Joe and Cindy says, yes, buy it. I never traded in my life, hit 30 trades in a row. 30 trades in a row, Crypto Fox Indy. Congratulations. Congratulations. LT says, heck yeah. That's what I want everyone here to watch and see. I'm not Bradley. I'm not here. Artie, I don't care. Worth way more than 500. James, tell everybody how much you earned, James Cochran. I swear to God, James is the Bible that's on sale, $575 super cheap. I've never traded in my life. Now, everybody that's out there, make sure we're all thanking God, thank the system, and thank Bri. And then thank you all for speaking up. I can't thank you enough. I want everyone out there to learn how to trade for once in their lives. Everyone out there that you think you know how to trade, you don't. I thought I knew how to trade for 5.5 years. I lost money every damn day. Let me give you a hint. Thank you guys for speaking up. Thank you all for speaking up. Thank you all for speaking up. Can't thank you enough. And this is what's going to drive everybody nuts right here. They hate when I pull this thing up. I don't know why. Do less than 1% or do 1% of traders make money? And the truth is, less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. But yet each and every one of us has been taught everything the same way. We all been taught support and resistance, trend lines, VWAP, volume, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, naming of candles and candle patterns, looking, whatever. We've all been taught the same things, yet we all lost 99% of our trades or more. I lost 99% of my trades for 5.5 years, lost $26,500. The system has just been enabled to me to buy a new car, for Bri to buy a new car. It's enabled us to buy another property, the second property since we've been doing it. Pay cash for cars, pay cash for properties. The system is able to me to go to Vegas for 2 months and live with Bri. We lived like, it was fantastic. Vegas was so much fun. The system has helped us pay for and go to Florida for 6 months. Go back to Florida for, what was it, a week or two down in Royal Pacific, whichever one that Universal Studios resort was, fantastic. We went to New York City for a week. You can trade from anywhere. Once you have this knowledge, you're no longer losing. You can do anything you want to do. Some of them are members buy Bentleys. Some of the people I know buy cars for their family members. Hint, hint, that would be me.
Some of I trade for people that are my family. I help them out with their trades. Yep. Shalita says, thanks God. Yep. Absolutely. Talking about how long have you been trading, but I just joined, had my trading today. The system is mind blowing. Dragon. I lost a little too, says yeah. Yes. So we have Ken. We have Ken. KSR Mason has lost 750,000. Ken, I don't want to misspeak. One of you guys lost, I think he's 650, and I think Dr. McCain was 750 before he got the system. Thank you all, Sam, for speaking up. Thank you, Apple user, for speaking up. Thank you, Jackwagon, made 30,000 last month. Yep. Peter Paxton. Jackwagon, damn, I thought my 10,000, but it is fantastic, Wink Fizz, and it's fantastic. Takes time to learn a new language. Took me about 3 months. Correct. That's how we're referring to it. Brief off of that. A great analogy. I'm a minus 650,000 lures. 650. Well, Ken, if it makes you feel any better, Dr. McCain lost 750. Thank you, says Aladar. Hopefully you get to see the robot soon. Not a robot. Nope. I tried a robot. I didn't want to get started on the robot. It won and won every kind of trade humanly possible, and people still complained about losing. I'm not doing it again. 5-minute buy stop, all 3 indices as I called. It went down. I don't know if we're going to get a blue line touch right now in the 1 minute. I don't know if we're going to get the 5-minute buy stop, but it's called out. It's ready to go. It's going to arch up, come back down, and hit these blue lines that I think you're going to see in 1 minute. Pays for itself every day. Absolutely, Chris Miller. Nope, I feel bad for both of us. Yeah. And 30,000 is fire. And that isn't too long, given average traders is 2 years. The average trader is 2 years, they lose money. No. I'm not buying it. The average trader takes 10 years and still loses money. No. The average trader is not. The average trader is this. The average retail trader loses 99% of his trades, and I don't care who they are. I don't care who they are. They don't get profitable in 2 years. I didn't get profitable 5.5 years. There's no one out there that I've paid thousands of dollars to learn from people and never was profitable in 5.5 years. In fact, I lost $26,500. BS that anyone on earth is profitable after 2 years without my system. I don't believe it. Pull them in. Have them come on and show me. Let's go over. Let's make our trade. Let's do our live trades live together. I'll go live with anybody. I don't care. Bring on a quote-unquote, you know how many professional traders came to me? I have professional traders trading on the stock market floor using my system. I have professional traders in brokerage house using my system. I'm partnered with the brokerage house using my system because this is the way to trade. The old-fashioned way is gone. It's dead. It will never be used again. Once people learn this new language of trading, the safetytrade.com language, you guys will only be trading this way. All of the other ways fail you. I tried for like 1.5 years to get Fibonacci retracements to work. I was so stubborn. I said, I only traded NAS and ERUSD for 1.5 years trying the Fibonacci retracements. I was so stubborn to get it, and it wouldn't. I was like, fudge, why won't it work? Why won't it work? Why won't it work? You know, you'd win 1 and lose 10, win 1 and lose 15, win 1 and lose 59. It was crazy. So I gave up and made my own system. It took me a long time. I would say I had the robot ready to go and I had an advanced system of this a long time ago. It was probably about 1 year, 1.5 years in the making. And it's been out for, I kept it to myself the first 2 years. So it's been out for about no, that's not true, about 3.5 years now. With you guys, about 1.5 years now it's been live. But yeah, no, there's no, if you're trying to use the old-fashioned way of trading, it's not working for you. I guarantee you it's not. I know it's not. I've been around the block, guys. It's definitely not. I meant average successful trader, not all traders. Oh, thank you, Chicken Dragon. I'm sorry, I wasn't picking on you. I had to click plus forgetting what I thought I knew. Yep. The problem comes in, you have to buy the system, unlearn what you thought you knew, relearn the new language, and learn the safety trade system. That's the problem. People have problems with that. It really is. It's hard. Kevin's call is a fire. Well, thank you. I believe so too. All right. So there you go. So let's go over it again. By the way, sell stop to the 1 minute blue line on NAS, SPX, and US 30. Also, 5-minute buy stops are also equally true, by the way. Just so and then we can get into the 1 hour. I'll write that all out. I'm going to go over YouTube at the end here. All right. Anybody have any questions before I get going on the how to do the scan? How to use this? Do the sniper? I'm going to go over the sniper right now. If you have any questions that aren't popping up because I read every questions, please go ahead and email me over the question, and I will answer that for me. The emails and the link both on YouTube and TikTok. No questions? All right, here we go. The way to make proper entries. Now look at this shit. You're seeing it live as you see it. You would wait, for instance, on the 1 minute. We'll go over the 1 minute for proper sell, stop, and buy stop. Let me go over US 30 real quick. Somebody once told me, not the sharpest tool in the cell. I'm not the smartest dude. This system only came about because of God. It was God inspired. Telling the truth on that one. I ain't smart enough to create this shit. I give God all the credit. Now let's go back. Here is a buy stop. All right. So this is the buy stop right here. This is what we'll be looking at inside of this rectangle right here, like this. Right inside of this white rectangle, you're going to see something. It's very easy. Which one doesn't belong? This is made for beginners. Beginners kick ass with this because they don't have any built up. It's kind of like a new baby. When you're a beginner, you're like a baby, newborn, that doesn't know how to speak, but eventually learn how to speak the language because you've never been taught any other language. So right now, if you're new, it's perfect for you because all you have to recognize is green, 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 right? And then this little red, and then green, green, you put a buy stop. I just added the entry right here, as everyone can see. The pink pops up right here. And when it does, you're going to be in position for the entry. See, the pink didn't pop up here on that middle one, which used to catch everybody. The pink crossed right here. So when the pink crossed right there, we're in the trade. And in this case, it would have been here and somewhere around to there, and you'd have been up about 30 pips. So this is the new sniper entry, it's called, for 1 minute. And yes, it works that easy, and yes, it works that good. Look at this one. This is called a dirty buy stop, but it worked just the same. You can clearly see the green, 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 red pattern, but don't worry about that. It's still a buy stop. Then you have your entry with the pink crossing, and you would have got in at the perfect time again. So it works every time on the 1 minute to help you guys with your entries. Doesn't matter if it's a buy stop or a sell stop. It works equally the same. Look at this one right here. This is a big, long one. This is a buy stop. You can see the first cross right here. You're in the money. Even if it dipped down, which it would have, you'd have never hit down anything because you can't. It dipped up again, did it again and again and again, and you would have been up about 16 pips. I'm sorry, that was six. That was not 16 pips. It was 15 pips. Damn, they have any volume today. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, the average trader never makes money. Even professional traders don't make money. That's why I have so many in the system. So let's go take a look again. These are just simple little sell stops. These aren't anything in particular. These are 1 minute trades. It also works in formal gaps, by the way. So let's take a look. I'm just trying to find a nice, easy one for you guys to see. You gotta see it though. Just pick one here. I'll pick this one right here. There it is again. So the current wave, what you're doing, everyone beginner out there, all you have to do is which one doesn't belong. You used to have a cute little song. These will start coming on again. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. But this is the trick right here. With the sniper, you're going to see the yellow come up. The yellow, then there's a pink line that's going to come up to you. You can do the first one. But there's a yellow up here. You'll see the pullback of the pink and the purple, usually like this. You'll see this proper cross right here with the pink line. You'll see the entry right here, and you'll go up. Oh, and that's how your entry is going to go in the 1 minute. How freaking cool is that? Okay, does everyone see what I'm talking about? This is the new Sniper Edition. It'll be $150 a month. You don't have to trade with it. I don't care. I'm not here to, force you to get it, but you're having trouble with your entries. Or if you like sniping, scalping. So if you like scalping, get the system. If you don't like it, then don't. But if you like scalping, then get the system. And not only does it work on the 1 minute charts, but it also works on the 5 minute charts. But the 5 minute is a little different setup. And I don't think I can show you any of that on YouTube because I won't let me tilt my camera. But the 5 minutes are just a little different. So let me show you what I mean. The 5 minute charts are just where you have, let me go back a little bit here. Where we have a pullback. Let me just show you with the safety trade right here. So this is a safety trade, right? And we have the break. So watch, you're going to have if you guys are on TikTok, you're going to see the 15-minute chart. It's going to arch up with this yellow line right here. Then you're going to have our safety trade, which is red, 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 green, red, red. Then the entrance is when the yellow crosses the purple right here. Pop, and you're going to get in the trade right when it does, which will be right here. And you'll just go, whoopsie, doop, there it is. So now we have a 5-minute entry. And then once the sell stop comes down, forms our first down, which is the first pink right here. Another sell stop. Then you can enter in another 1-minute sell stop right here. You can clearly see the sell stop. Pink crosses down the purple. Pink crosses down the purple. Look, every time. There it is. There's your entry. There it is. There's your entry. Pink crosses purple to the yellow. And it's all because the 5-minute was off the 15-minute. So once you realize that, then you can go to the 30-minute next. And again, I don't want to complicate you guys. It's not. The system is easy as peasy. It's just easy. That's something to become agree with. What's up, Wealth Creation Project? Fair enough, thanks. All right. So that's all. So this is called the sniper system coming up. It's an additional charge. You don't have to get it. I don't care if you get it. I'm just trying to help you all with entrances. And it is $150 a month, and it's limited to 100 people. I was going to limit it to 50, but we have too much of a demand, and people really want it. Sell stop. Did we ever get to the blue lines? No, but we made money on those. 5-minute buy stop. And it's getting really primed to do this. 5-minute buy stop. Let me see here. NAS 5-minute buy stop. SPX, look at SPX go. Watch SPX 5-minute. Boop. There it's going to go up and touch. 1-minute sell stop, fill in the gap. SPX. 1-minute sell stop, fill in the gap. 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. SPX, both are equally true. If you like playing 5 minutes, play it. If you like playing 1 minute, play it. Nice. Love that one. Let me see NAS real quick. Somebody once told me 1-minute sell stop always forms first. 5-minute buy stop. NAS 100. Somebody once told me 1-minute sell stop, fill in the gap, US 30. It's going to go up a little bit more. 5-minute buy stop, US 30. Take your poison, whichever one you want. Ed, can't wait for the sniper. Good evening, everyone. What's up, Estee? Line, not thine. What the heck? Thine. Thine, line, thine. Did I say the wrong word? I'm sorry. All right. TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and swing over. Let's see how many we got. 50? No. Depends if you guys want to watch still or not. TikTok, do you guys want me to stay on a little bit longer or you want me to go? I'm open for you there. Oh, someone sent their phone number. Yay! Who sent their phone number? Let's go have a conversation. Don't forget about the 1-minute buy stops and 5-minute sell stops. Wait, vice versa that. 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute version. Who was it? Live trading, I would like to be live trading. Nice, Annetta. Annetta Robinson, I'm going to give you a holla. Yay, we got somebody. Annetta. Awesome. I see that. Thank you, Precious. She's so good. Thank you, Precious. I never saw that. Oop. Boom. Here we go. I'm assuming it is Miss Annetta, but I'm not sure. If I'm wrong, let me know. Calling right now. Somebody once told me. Unalive. But
Precious. What is the password? Precious. What is here we go. Calling. Who are we calling? Annetta. All right, guys, this is a treat. Annetta Robinson, I'm giving ya a holla. Let's see what we can talk to Annetta about. Hope she's still there. I didn't see it. I apologize for not seeing that right away. Boom. This is not staged. I have no idea who this person is. I have no clue. Oop. Somebody once told me.
Hello? Hi.
Good evening. Is this Miss Annetta?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Annetta. This is Kevin Grego from The
Hi.
Live. How are you?
I am doing well, thank you. And yourself?
I am fantastic. You got, I don't know, maybe not many, maybe about 100, 150 people listening to you right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. So we have about,
I feel so special tonight.
yes, and you are special all the time. I'm sure you are. No, you're,
Okay.
so what can I help you with, or were you just stopping by and looking at the system, or what can I do for you?
Yeah, because I have been watching. I've been on your sessions and I'm seeing, and I really would want to be a part of it to get some training on it and stuff. I have been trying to make payment, but I'm having some issues. But I'm still working on it.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm looking forward to being on your team very soon.
Awesome. Have you traded before or no?
Yes, I have.
And how did you do with it?
A little bit.
You probably didn't do well, or you wouldn't be contacting me, right?
That's right.
Fair enough. Fair
That's
enough.
so right.
Has it been a few years, or just a year, or how long have you been with it? A few months?
It's been about 2 years,
2 years.
on and off.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you. Well, I spent 5.5 years losing, so I know the feeling. I lost a lot of money. Well, what I thought was a lot of money, $26,500 over that period of time. Yeah, some of my guys though, before they joined, Ken, I don't know if you saw that, he lost $650,000. I told Ken I'd be retired if I had $650,000 back then, right? But he lost it. So
Yeah.
isn't that terrible?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's currently getting it back, so he'll get his money back. And then Dr. McCain, he's our biggest loser. Isn't that funny? He lost $750,000. So I'm pretty sure you're nowhere near them, right?
Nowhere near that.
Yeah.
Nowhere near that. You're so right.
Thank God, because it's horrid to lose money at all. I ain't losing a dollar in this shit. But anyway, so you've been watching me for a while. I don't know who you are, by the way, Miss Annette, right? I have no clue of who you are. This isn't staged or fake or anything, right?
Could you repeat that?
Yeah, this isn't staged or fake. I have no idea who you are. I didn't pay you to call in or anything. I have no clue who you are.
No, you did not. No, you did not. I was listening to your live, and you mentioned something about calling in,
Yes,
going on
ma'am.
your live, and I said, let me send him my number so
Yes.
I can receive a call.
There you go, and now you're here. Look at this, by the way. I called a 5-minute buy stop to the blue line. Can you see your screen right now or no?
I am not seeing it. Give me 1 second. Let me.
Just be careful. You'll get an echo if you leave the volume on, so mute whatever. If you're on YouTube, you can mute the screen.
Yeah, I am on. Because it's kind of echoing and stuff.
Yeah, that's
so.
right. That's why you have to mute the other one. Otherwise, you'll hear an echo the whole time. It's kind of tough.
Right.
Yeah. Just let me know when you see it when you're in. No rush.
Okay. But sometimes when I'm sometimes it's because I do watch you on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes it's a bit blurry.
I know. We're getting
So,
a new property for us, so we're hoping the new place has better internet. because our current one, the internet kind of started acting funny. So in a couple weeks, well, maybe about a month, we should be in a new location, and then we might have better internet for us.
Okay.
But the TikTok is much better. The video and the sound is actually better, I believe. But by the way, I just wanted to point out to everybody, and we'll get back to your little story here. We have a 5-minute buy stop to the blue line, hitting the blue line on SPX. That was the first one called. NAS is also rising up towards it, and US 30 you're already in the money on that. So you're up about 4 or 5 pips on it. It's late at night. All right, I hear my voice echoing. You might want to mute that.
Right.
We're on the phone with Smith Annette. She's just a random person that was watching us and decided to call in. Does anybody have any questions for Miss Annette, or any suggestions for anything at all? Just give us a little message here and let us know. But this has not been rehearsed. I don't know Miss Annette from a hill of beans, so I'm just trying to help her out. Trading wise, do you understand the concept of what I'm teaching, or do you want me to go over it with you?
I would like you to go over it with me.
Okay.
I've been watching, but I still have not, grasped the concept of it.
Okay, we can absolutely help you out in that in about 2 seconds. So let's go on. Have you ever gone swimming in your life, or no?
Could you repeat that for me?
Have you ever gone swimming in your life?
No, I can't swim. That's the worst part of it.
Okay. So let's go ahead and, do you know of anyone that have you been like near a pool, like just laying out, or an ocean or anything where you saw people swimming?
Yeah, I live close by the ocean.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And then do you have a friend or family member that you ever saw swimming, or no?
Yes, I do have them that swim.
Who's, just pick one of them randomly. Who's the person that you've seen swimming?
Okay.
Just in first name.
Dexter.
Dexter?
Yes.
Okay, Dexter. So in our business, I'm going to teach you the only things you really know is green means up, okay? Right here, green means up, and red means down. Can you remember that?
Okay.
So green means up, red means down. Very simple. Can you see the screen I'm pointing to, or no?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a red line.
Right, and I'm going to point here to this green up right here, and that is a green patch of histogram bars, but it's green, so it means up, right?
Okay.
Now watch. This is going to be underneath it. There's going to be the real direction bar, and that's red, so that means down. Isn't that right? Red means down.
Right.
Okay, and then below that is another bar red, and below that is another bar red. So those are 3 down. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. Let's go over this really simple for you so you can get a really good idea. The bar that you see pointing to the green is the equivalent of Dexter swimming in the ocean. And Dexter doesn't want to die, does he? So Dexter wants to stay alive. So he's going to, he's going to try to stay above. So he's going to be green and he's going to be up. Okay?
Okay.
Now watch. Below that is you, Miss Annette. You grab Dexter's arm, and you can't swim. So you grab his arm, pulling him under the water. That's the red that means down, right? And then I come along. Yeah, well, it gets better. I come along, and I grab another one of his arms, his second arm, and pull Dexter under. And then we have Larry Cooper grab one of his legs. So now we have, you're on one of his arms, frantically holding onto his arm, pulling him under. I'm a grown man pulling him under. Larry Cooper has a leg pulling him under. Is Dexter going to go down and drown, or is he going to stay up?
If they keep pulling him under, he's going to drown. But
He's going to go down.
So he will push right back up.
Well, watch. Okay, that's funny you think that possibly. Not really realistic, but watch. It gets better. Our red Bach line right here. This is red. Red means what? Down or up?
Red means down.
So we have a line on top of him pushing under. So now we have Azor pushing him under the water. And now we have Shalita Nelson, another red line pushing him under. And then we have the red line that's here pushing him under. So now he has 3 grown people pulling him under the water,
before Dexter, and we have 3 people pushing him under the water. Now, if Dexter wanted to in any way, shape, or form, is he possibly going to go up, or is Dexter going to go down?
If they're pulling him down, he's gonna go down.
Yes, he's going to go down. The trade, as you can see right here, I don't know if you know what these things are, but this is nothing more than price action. It's a bunch of bullshit. It's made up of fake stuff. This is just candles, they call it. Could be lines, it could be dashes. They just happen to call them candles. But if you can see the little green thing, they go down. You see this? So that is Dexter. The trade didn't have a chance to go up. It can only go down. And it went down. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I have a way in my system that this is only, watch, this is only, oh, sorry, hold on. This is only one thing pointing downward. Watch, let me pull this a little closer real quick. There's one of our little indicators saying down, so let me mark it right here. Let me make that look bigger. Let's watch. So we have one indicator saying down. We have 2 indicators saying down. We have 3 indicators saying it's going to go down. We have 4 indicators saying it's going to go down. We have 5 indicators saying it's going to go down. We have 6 indicators saying it's going to go down. And I'm telling you right now, if you ever buy the system, you learn the whole thing, you'll see up to 23 different down arrows against 1 up arrow. So there's 23 indicators saying it's going to go down, pushing it down. There's not a chance in heck, even if Michael Phelps was there on steroids, a real famous swimmer guy, and he couldn't stay above. The trade has to go down.
Pull himself back up.
He couldn't do it, not with 23 people pushing him, pulling him under the water. It's impossible. And you can't, the trade can't go up. It will not go up. It doesn't go up. I don't know, did you catch last Friday's live when we had Philip on?
No, I didn't catch last Friday.
Okay. You might want to go listen to it. Philip was just an average Joe. He never traded anything, unlike you, who has some trading experience. He never traded anything. Phil never traded anything. Phil uses my system now for the last almost year. He has a 94% win rate because of what I just taught you.
Okay.
94 out of 100 trades he wins. You want to know something else about Phil? Since December of last year, he's made 440,000 euros.
Wow.
You want to know something else about Phil? I'm buying over here. I paid cash for a Hyundai. I'm happy. I paid cash for a Honda. I paid cash for a Toyota. I'm thrilled. Brand new cars. He bought a Bentley. So Phil is making.
This is exactly what I need to pay cash for my stuff too.
Yep. There you go. And I just paid cash for a house last week, actually about 7-8 days ago. You can pay cash with a house too. It's not, I'm showing you to make it look very easy, and it is. But, it's like learning another language. You have to learn what I'm teaching you, and it might take a month, might take 2 or 3 months, maybe 4 or 5. I've never had anyone take over 5 months, but it could take 3, 4, 5 months. But some people like Tommy and Goroff and there's a dozen people that catch on super quick, like within a week, less than a week, few days, but most people aren't that quick. So it might take you 2 or 3 months to learn, but you'll learn it. Give yourself time and just practice and you'll get it. Fair enough?
Right. Right.
Okay? And that's all. So I hope that you, and people are over there, buy the system and that you won't regret it. It's the best system they're telling you. But when you're comfortable with it, you get your finances in order, then just go ahead and save up. And after you get the system, we give you what's called a type form. So we walk you through it. What to do, what to buy, how you have to sign the NDA. You're not buying, but you have to sign free. You have to sign the NDA, non-disclosure agreement. You have to get this, you have to get that. And we walk you through all that. And then, I don't know if you're aware, but I do live small group trainings today. I did one at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There was about, I think, 16 people in the class. And I trained everybody live with each other. So I train you live. And then you get your follow-up classes also Monday at 2:30. And that's for the rest of I'm Alive, You're Alive. You can ask me questions. It's basically unlimited support. Okay?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because I sent for the address, the UTC address, but I still was having some issues getting that. So I was hoping that there would be another payment option that I could take advantage of, but I'm still working on getting that
Yes, ma'am.
so I can get the system.
What you
Right.
can do
But
is,
one question I have for you, is this something that I would need like a VPS to run?
no, not at all. I run these on my local
Oh.
home computers. Some people do use virtual private servers, what she's asking, and we have scanners on the virtual private servers. But my own system that you see right here is just local. I just run it on a home computer.
Okay, okay.
Now, you shouldn't have any monthly expenses unless you like that scanner room, the thing that has all the different trades in, which I don't recommend anyways. For the first month or two, you have to learn how to trade. And by then, you'll be making a good bit of money, so you can afford $50 a month extra. But other than that, there should be no monthly expenses at all. You pay your $575, you're good for the year. You're done.
Okay.
Any other
Okay, sounds
questions?
interesting. So like something that I would really want to be a part of.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm working on it.
Sounds great. And I would recommend, if you can, to go ahead and just like, I don't know if you're used to trading like crypto or whatever that was, but just steal my signals. People do it all the time. Like when I tell you something, especially those 1 minute, 5 minutes, they're gonna happen. And when they happen, you're gonna make good money. So you can make money by using my system to stealing it, borrowing it. By the way, we have full touch on US 35 minute buy stop, touch the blue line. I'm sure NAS is also touch the blue line. Let me see real quick. Nope, not yet. You have time for the NAS buy stop still. And let me see SPX real quick. I'm sure that's got to be past it. And past it. And then the SPX is past this blue line. US 30 has hit its 5 minute blue line, and you still have time for NAS 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. So while we talk, people made money.
I always hear you talking about that blue line, but sometimes I'm not seeing a line. I'm not seeing the blue line.
Right.
So,
I'm pretty advanced
wondering,
with that.
what is that blue line?
Yeah, it's a really interesting thing. Over my course of 5.5 years of losing, I figured out one good thing, and it happened to be this blue line. I go, hell, every time I see something moving, it's going towards it, whether it's on the 1 minute, 5 minute. So this blue line is just a EMA. It's a moving average. And then this moving average has certain settings on it. And it's just something that's like magic. It's like a magnet. Like everything's just drawn to it. So when I say it's going to the blue line, yeah, it gets real close to it. And you'll notice that when I trade these like this, as a matter of fact, I don't know if I can pull this one up for you or not. Let me see. Not yet. But you'll see, oopsie. You'll see that it trades like the SPX hit its blue line. And then you'll see NAS, or I'm sorry, US 30 hit its blue line. Watch, see, there it is. Now you're going to see NAS go up right before your very eyes as we're talking. And it's going to go up and either touch its blue line or horseshoes and hanger days, I call it. So it means it's close enough. It may not touch it exactly, but you're going to make money on this NAS trade. It will go up and you'll be in the money. Watch. It's going to do it. You ever see me where I call it down like this and it just goes up right before your very eyes? I think it's so cool. It's like, bing, there it goes.
Okay.
Yep. So just save up your money. No rush. We're not ever price increasing the price anymore. The 575 for the year is just staying there. It's just what it is. So no rush on that. It's just no rush.
Thank you for doing that.
Yes. I try to keep everything very reasonable. I know 575 is a good bit of money for everybody, but I still try to keep it down. The scanner is $50 a month is a joke. That is so cheap. I can't make it any cheaper than $50 for 2 rooms for the month. And I mean, we got to pay some bills around here, and keep things going. So, but look,
Right.
do you see it went up right before we're talking? I don't know if you're watching it, but you're up about, not much, about 6 pips right here.
I'm looking at it.
Isn't that cute? And that's all because of the system. You have green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, boom, there it goes. And there it is. And you can see clearly, watch this SPX one. We called it before it was at the blue line. Now it's up over that blue line. And then US 30 right here, it's touched the blue line. It kissed it. I can zoom in on that if you like. You can see it's actually on the blue line. It hit it. And all because of its buy stop. You see what I just taught you the other way? It's green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. And there it is. It touched it. Everyone listening to us.
Yeah.
I got my, hold on, sorry, I got an Amber Alert going off.
All right.
All right,
Thank
any
you
other?
so very much, Gavin. Thank you.
You're well, thank
I really
you.
appreciate this call.
Thank you, Annette. Thank you for calling.
Because I've been looking at, I'm kind of lost sometimes, but now I get an understanding of what I'm looking at.
Yay! I'm so glad that worked. Yay.
Yeah.
Thank you for calling in, Miss Annette. Have a great rest of your evening, I guess. God bless you, and I hope you come into the fold soon. We get to help you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a
Have
great
a good
night.
one.
You too. Bye-bye.
God bless.
Thank you. All right. That was Miss Annette. Super sweet lady. God bless you. Everyone thank Miss Annette for coming on, please. That was awesome. Yay. Totally unplanned. By the way, everyone's making money on these buy-stop calls while I was talking to her. There's your SPX up and past the blue line. Here's your US 30 to the blue line and a little bit past it, I believe. Yep, we're past it. This would have been your end. You'd be up about 13 pips. And now you're seeing NAS go up by itself right now before your very eyes like magic. Thank you, Miss Annetta. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bradley, Artie. Can't wait. Thank you, Miss Annette. Thank you, Miss Annette. Yep, I can see a whole bunch of thank yous. Gold 5-minute buy stop is in the money, says Nadal. Nadal, can't you thank yous to Miss Annette, please? Here's gold 5 minutes. Yeah, gold 5 minutes is in the buy stop. Very good. Excellent buy stop for gold. 5-minute buy stop for gold. Excellent. Excellent. Easy money. Look at it. There it is. Boom. Buy stop, boom. Gap. Buy stop, gold, gold, gold. Yep, yep. And there you go. SD says, thank you, Miss Annette. Thank you, Annette. There you go, Miss Annette. Thank you again. All right, TikTok. Anybody have any questions on TikTok? I'm about to head over to YouTube and make a couple final calls. That's all I'm going to do is on YouTube. Jack Dragon says, thanks, Annette. Thank you, Annette. Thank you, Miss Annette. Joan Cynthia says, thank you, Annette. What's up, Cliff? Where you been, brother? All right. You're about to see it go up before your very eyes again. Gold went up, but we've specifically called out SPX live. Boom, you're in the money. We called out US 30 live to the blue line. It touched it, you're in the money. And now we're waiting for NAS to go up and touch its 5 minute. In the money, in the money. I don't know how much time we have left. A minute and a half, you're about to see US 30 turn to green. Oop, right there. Right there. I told you at the beginning of this broadcast, this session, this live session, that the 5 minute will hit the blue line. I told you what it was going to do, and there it is. SPX hit it. Oop, oop. Just wait for it. It'll go up. So we have about another minute 19. I'll wait for the US 30 MCU. So we'll be up and over. Yeah, we are. So now that you'll see this indicator right here in 1 minute and 7 seconds, this will turn to green. It'll be double green, and this one will be red. Watch it happen live before your very eyes. This one will turn to double green. I can draw that out for if you like. This would do this right here. And somebody once told me, I ain't the shark tune in the shed. This will turn to green up arrow. This one will add an arrow. And then this one over here will vanish an arrow. This arrow will turn to 1. This is what you're about to see. Right before your very eyes. Watch it. 25 seconds. Oh, somebody just told me life I have no words to songs. Bree knows every word ever made to every song. I know no words. I slaughtered Journey songs I've sung for fucking 50 years of my life. I still get it wrong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's see if we can get a little change of room. And waiting for it. Pop. There's the weasel. Boom. There it went. You see that change? Just like I drew out for you. 1 left to go. Let's see where Naz is at now. Let's see. Wasn't that cool to see? You guys got to catch that live. How freaking cool. Somebody once told me. Let's see. Naz over here. Let's go up here. Yep, we got a little time. Take any 1 minute buy, stop to the 5 minute blue line on NAS. Look at it live happening for you. Woo! The power of the 2 out of the 3 scanner. What fun is that? That was 2 fucking fun. I'd be able to see that. Alright, not hard to learn. Guys, it's hard to learn. No user 919. It's made for beginners. Thank you. I'm excited to join the team soon. Thank you, Miss Annetta, again for coming on. We look forward to you. Is the system easy for beginners or is it extremely hard? Is the system, it's not super easy. You do have to learn a new language, but it's made for beginners. It's literally made for beginners. That's what it's for. If you can see this trade, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line, you can make money. Look at SPX, same exact pattern, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line, you made money. Here's US 30. This is how hard it is. So green, 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 red, green, green to the blue line, and you make money. It does take time to master. You have to unlearn what you think, buy the system, unlearn what you think you know, relearn the system, and then actually go ahead and teach someone. That's how you're going to master it. Teach a few people. First part of me forgetting what I thought I knew. Absolutely, Cat Dragon. User 9199, would you like to come on a phone call and learn how to trade live? I will gladly teach you as long as you're in America and have a U.S. number. Well, I don't care about America, just as long as you have a U.S. number. Worst part was for me, I thought the system was fantastic and accurate. Buy it. Thank you, Miss Annie. Thank you, Jack, for speaking up. User 9199, just email me your phone number if you'd like to get the to talk with me on this system. That's fine. I can teach you easy. Just need to study and learn. Says Larry Cooper. System is fantastic, accurate. Think Kevin thing. Hardest thing is to on-off yourself in previous trading knowledge. I know you have to unlearn it. It's crazy. So if you want to call in, user 9199, feel free. I'll give you the email. You can call me in and we can go over that with you. All right. Anyone on TikTok have any more questions? I'm going to go ahead and go. I just saw it's 11 o'clock. I don't mind being on, but I got a shit ton of other things to do. So. Okay. Easy to study and learn. All right. TikTok, thank you, Annie and Jackwag and Larry and Cooper for speaking up so nicely tonight on TikTok for me, and Candle, Kim, Candle Lady, and Cliff, and Easy, and Deanne, and Ray, and that's about it. So everybody over there, great love tonight. I did too, Jack. Jack, Peter P. Have a great evening. God bless you all on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and head out of there on TikTok. I'm just seeing this up right here. All right. Oh, I forgot one thing before I go. I didn't show you the end desk. Let me see if I can show you this. This is a trade. This is a buy stop. Let me see something before I misspeak. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Let me see something. I think we're good. This is a very small, but all I can do is show you. My buy-in on this one was 515, and we're on 710. This has been, I've been holding this almost 2 months, and this was done as is a buy SPX 500, and I'll go ahead and show you how much we're up on that. But that I'm going to take profit on that miles. This is the trade almost held open for 2 months. It's on another computer in my house. That's why it looks funny. I had to invest in that. So on SPX, we can go back to, I guess, a daily and show you. 515 would have been here. So my entrance was here. I'm up currently 300 pips on SPX. I was up 356 pips on SPX, roughly speaking, right around there. And that's how long I've been holding it for. Yep. And I'm still in that trade on the buy. Hey, Kevin, I'm based out of Toronto. Oh, yeah, we'd have to use WhatsApp, and I'm really not comfortable using WhatsApp. I'm not a big fan of it. I mean, it's helpful and all that, but I'd rather not, unless we can use some kind of fake number for you or something. I don't know. Call outs for tomorrow. Yeah, I did those earlier in the video. I'll call them out on YouTube for you, though, when I get over there. Good night, Larry. Good night, Erica. You're welcome, everybody. But we have tons of people out of Canada. We have dozens of people with the system out of Canada that use it. There's no problem. I can't have you on there. Maybe tomorrow if you come on, we can try to work at it. Try to go through WhatsApp and all that shit. It's like a nightmare. I have to add you as a contact. You have to accept it. Yeah. Whatever. Good night, Cliff. Cliffy, aren't you from Canada? Thank you, Cliff. All right, I'm going to head over to TikTok. I'm going to call out the 3 indices for everybody. I'm going to head over to YouTube. Sorry. I'm going to head over to YouTube and call out the 3 indices for everybody. So here we go. I'm going to head over to YouTube. I'm closing out TikTok. All right.
Take care and God bless. Everybody have a great night. Oh, Wisconsin, that's close enough to Canada. All right, we're done. Next up, YouTube. Here we come, YouTube. Here we